Do you want to use two WhatsApp accounts with one phone number on different phones? No worries. Hey there, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you an easy trick. By following these, you can use one WhatsApp account in two phones. So let's get started. Step 1. Install the WhatsApp app on your second phone. Open the App Store, search WhatsApp, and tap on Install. After successfully installing, open the app and allow all of the permissions. And after that, open the number verification interface. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Here you can see the link to a companion device option. Tap on it. After that, it will open a QR. Hold on this and follow the next step on first phone. Step 2. Link WhatsApp account with second phone. Open the WhatsApp app, tap on settings. Here you can find a QR code near the profile name. Tap on it. After that, tap on the scan option. Then your back camera will open. And now you need to scan by using your second phone's QR code. After successfully scanning, your account will be logged in on your second phone. So, this is how you can use your WhatsApp account on two devices. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have anything to ask, then please ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.